Using these non-marring tools. Well, they claim to be non-marring, but if you look, it did leave a little marred edge, unless that's just me being paranoid. But you don't have to remove this up here or the stereo, unless you have the OnStar, which this card doesn't. I don't know why you would want that. If you get it, cool for you, but I'm slowly been prying out on the side here to get the stereo out. And I gotta do the other side. I don't know if I can do it on camera, but I mean, we can go for it, right? Yeah, it's coming out. Give me 1 second. So I was able to get it removed. Yeah, you just gotta slowly pry on both sides. Should have bought the buttons, so I could have did this today too. But pull this back, and then there's red here. She's gonna pull out. And then they should just slide right off. That's kind of hard to do this with one hand. So I got it out. When you take them out, it looks like these pins all have to come out of these slides. And it feels like it's really easy to get to the first one, but the second one, you have to pull it a little harder. And it'll just snap right out. Now on the forum I read that you can just pull this off, so I don't know if mine is connected, maybe just in the thing I've seen. Maybe I do have to remove the stereo, we'll see. Nope, looks like this can pull right down. There's one tab out. So it's definitely possible to just remove this top piece, but I pulled a little too hard and then ended up breaking it even more. Which is fine because, I mean, this one was broken anyway, right? So, what difference does it make? And I gotta figure out how to get this off of here, which it looks like it's just these 2 pins. But yeah, there's no, just to show you guys real quick, if you look in the cup holder, there's only 1 clip on this side. There is no clip on that side, and if there was something on there, it would have been broken off. So it looks like you just have to pull hard enough and get these clips off of here. But if your cup holder is broken, you don't have to remove all of the vent and the stereo, because I attempted to start the vent and then I realized it's going to take forever. Then I found a way that you can actually do it without removing the whole thing. So give me a second. Let's try to get this new one on and the old one out and then put it back together. Press down on the tabs. There's 4 of them. There's 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom. I got the piece off. This is the new one. That's the old one down there. So it looks like I can just slide this up over, and then we'll just snap in all the tabs. Tabs in? Yep, they're all in. So now I should just be able to just slide this right back into its place. If I'm not mistaken, there's going to be some guides in there, and the place where those top tabs will clip back in. Alright. No wonder why these things fail. This is so flimsy. And there's so much force, you can't like put a lot of force on it. You kind of have to like use your other hand. Well, at least I now have a working cup holder. So I'm gonna put the radio back on. Let's see. Can't hold a Gatorade bottle, but it can hold a regular size water bottle. Great success. And we're all done. I just put this back in. When you're putting just a little tip, because I didn't really realize it. When you're putting the tabs on the back, those two lines where the pins have to guide, you're not going to press it all the way in, and it's not going to just slide in and then close itself. You have to push it on and then press the tab in, and then that'll get the clips on the back of the climate control to snap in place. and it's doing some little whirring right now. But anyway, that's the video. Hope that helps somebody. So there's a ton of videos how to do this, and everybody says you have to remove this vent, and then you got to get to this. But if you're replacing an already broken cup holder, it doesn't matter if you end up breaking those clips, like I did on this one, because I had to pull pretty hard, and it snapped this clip off. But like if you're at a junkyard or something, yeah, you're probably gonna want to remove these two to get this out safely without breaking it. Because I mean, if you're gonna want to use it or sell it, what's the point of getting rid of a broken one? You know. Anyway, thank you guys. If this helped you, hit the like and subscribe button, and see you in the next one.